Throughout the Bible, Yahuah, a name some use for God, is depicted as administering punishment for disobedience or sin, highlighting themes of justice, correction, and the call for repentance. Let's explore some instances where Yahuah's divine justice is portrayed in the scriptures. Plagues and diseases. In the Bible, Yahuah sent plagues upon Egypt, as described in Exodus chapters 7 through 12, when Pharaoh refused to release the Israelites from slavery. Exile and displacement. In the Old Testament, Israel faced divine retribution for their idolatry and disobedience by being exiled to Babylon, as detailed in 2 Kings chapter 25 and Jeremiah chapter 29. Natural disasters. Sometimes natural events like floods, such as the Great Flood in Genesis chapters 6 through 9, earthquakes or famines are perceived as acts of divine punishment or judgment from Yahuah. War and conquest. Yahuah permitted foreign nations to invade and subdue Israel and Yehudah when they forsook his laws. This is evident in Judges chapter 2 verses 11 to 15 and in 2 Kings chapter 17. Death or destruction. In certain extreme cases, disobedience led to death, such as in the destruction of Sodom and Gomorrah, which is recounted in Genesis chapter 19. Another instance is the death of Uzzah for touching the Ark of the Covenant, as described in 2 Samuel chapter 6, verses 6 and 7. Spiritual separation. At times, punishment manifests as a spiritual exile or separation from God's presence. This often results in suffering, confusion, or distress. This concept is evident in Isaiah chapter 59, verse 2. Loss of blessings. Disobedience can lead to the removal of Yahuah's blessings, including prosperity, peace, and health. Deuteronomy chapter 28 details blessings for obedience and curses for disobedience. Personal afflictions. The story of King David, punished for his sin with Bathsheba by the death of his child, as recounted in 2 Samuel chapter 12, exemplifies personal affliction as a result of sin. Often punishment is paired with the chance for repentance and renewal, offering a way back to favor with Yahuah. Interpretations of divine justice and punishment vary widely across different religious traditions.